Hello, flock. Today, Roy the rooster is feeling very confident. He thinks he's finally going to win Best Rooster on the Farm. This is my year. I've been practicing my crow all week. Nobody can beat me. Good luck, Roy. You'll need it. And the winner is... Randy! Thank you. Thank you. You're too kind. What? That's impossible. Roy looks as sick as a parrot. I spent all week practicing. I even skipped my afternoon nap. Better luck next time, Roy. So, flock, if someone is as sick as a parrot, they're very disappointed about something. Thanks for learning with the flock. See you soon. Don't forget to subscribe.